Hi everyone. Mastering a language is more than just learning grammar. It's about confidence and how confidently you speak the language. I am Poulomi Ghosh, and with my 12 years of experience as a teacher, I understand quite well the challenges faced by learners. So I have designed the course to fill in the learning gaps. Welcome to my Master English Speaking and Writing course. As you can see, the course will have two levels. The first one would be building your foundation, and the second level would be mastering communication. We start by building your foundation. We will unlock the secrets of pronunciation like the magic key, which transforms your vowel sounds instantly. Then we expand your vocabulary systematically, focusing on the words you actually need for daily routines, corporate settings, and expressing how you feel. Next, we move on to sounding more natural. But sounding natural isn't just about words, it's about music. You will learn to master stress and rhythm, hitting the right content words so you flow like a native speaker. And then we move on to mastering communication. You will learn to pivot between formal and informal language, knowing exactly when to say, I appreciate your time versus thanks a bunch. Plus, we will demystify native idioms so phrases like piece of cake finally make sense. Finally, we will help you navigate corporate jargon from touching base to hitting those KPIs. You will have the tools to command any boardroom with ease. Welcome once again, and let's unlock your fluency together. Toodles.